today is December 30 and it's my birthday and together with me are my pamangkin. Happy birthday! Ayan, so yan lang kaligayahan natin. After this, we're going to Luneta. Did you know where Luneta is?
Where?
There, over there. Have you been there?
No.
Not yet. Alright, so
Ate
later. Ate Aya, have you been there? No, also. Oh my gulay. You need to visit Luneta because Luneta Park is the best place for the Filipino.
Can they survive 3 p.m.?
Wait, mag-a-analyze lang ako ng sinabi natin. At dito nagtatapos ang ating kwento, pero pupunta pa kami ng Luneta. So, see you again mga ka-fam trick. Bye!